You may need to print, edit, delete, or void an employee's paycheck. You can only edit a paycheck if it is the most recent paycheck, and it also hasn't yet been paid to the employee. For paper checks, that means the pay date has not yet passed. For direct deposits, it means the check has not been transmitted yet. If you cannot edit a check, you may be able to delete or void the check instead. To print, edit, delete, or void a paycheck if possible, click the Employees link under the Payroll app in the All Apps bar to open the Employees page. Then, click the Paycheck List link in the upper right corner of the page to open the Paycheck List page. To filter the list of paychecks in the Paycheck List page if desired, click the Filter drop-down button and then use the Employee, Date Range, and/or From and To drop-downs to select filtering choices, and then click the Apply button. To print, edit, delete, or void a paycheck, click into the Desired Paychecks row to open its paycheck window. To print the paycheck, then click the Print button in its lower right corner. Alternatively, to edit, delete, or void the paycheck, click the Make Adjustment drop-down in the upper right corner of the paycheck window and select the Edit, Delete, or Void command as needed. If you select the Edit command, click the Edit button in the confirmation window that opens to then show the paycheck's editable fields. If you change the value in any editable field, press the Tab key on your keyboard to leave the field and automatically adjust other fields that interact with that amount. To save your changes and close the paycheck window, click the Save button in its lower right corner. Alternatively, to close the window without saving any changes, click the Close button in its lower left corner. Alternatively, if you select the Delete or Void command, then follow any prompts in the windows that appear to finish and delete or void the paycheck and close the window. To batch print pay stubs or paychecks, or reverse direct deposits in the Paycheck List page, check the checkboxes to the left of the paychecks in the list to select them. The available actions for the selected paychecks then appear as buttons above the list of paychecks. Click the desired button to apply it to the selected checks. If you can't see the Print Paychecks button above the list of selected paychecks and you print paper paychecks, ensure you set up paycheck printing in QuickBooks Online by clicking the Set Up Paycheck Printing link towards the upper right corner of the list page, and then changing the print preferences to allow both pay stub and paycheck printing. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.